goes away. The things I plan to say, oh baby.
Hello my crafty friends, it's me Lisa, and I have another Cricut tutorial for you today. And today I'm going to show you how to upload an image into Cricut Design Space. And like all of my other Cricut Design Space videos, I have a PC. This is a laptop that I'm using right here. And on Mac, I'm not sure how to do this, but I know there's lots of other people that do. So reach out and look for Design Space tutorials for Mac computers. But if you have a PC or a laptop like I do, now if you get into the Cricut Design Space and you want to look up images, there is quite a library. Look at this, search 250,000 plus Cricut images. So you can look for anything. We can look for animals. And look at all of these different animals that we can add to our designs. But sometimes you know exactly what you have in mind and you can't find it in Design Space, but you can find it on the internet itself. And that's what I'm going to show you how to do today. So let's go back to our canvas, and we are going to end up uploading a picture. So these are our choices over on the side, but we need to find an image. So we're going to come to Google because you can find all kinds of images in Google. And I was doing a search and I was looking for a horse. So I actually found this one that I really like. And I really like this image, so I am going to put this image, I'm going to save it onto my computer, and then I'm going to upload it to Design Space, and we're going to make it into a file so that we can make a vinyl decal. So first I'm going to right click on the image and I'm going to save image as. And for this one, let's call it jumping horse, and I'm going to save him to my desktop. And there he is right there. So then I'm going to come back to Cricut Design Space and I'm going to upload an image. And then I'm going to click that upload image. And the one thing I've found, if you're saving PNG files, I've had issues with this in the past. So what I'm going to do is make my screen smaller like that. And then here is that jumping horse file. So I'm actually going to drag that in and then make my Design Space bigger again. And here is the image. So now I have the choice of either doing simple, and then I can get rid of the background, moderately complex, or complex. So let's go to complex, because that way we can really get little pieces out here and there. So then we hit continue, and what I want to do is I just want to remove the background. So basically anything white is what I'm going to be removing. Look at how easy that was. That removed almost all of the background. So working with silhouette images like this is actually really nice because it's very simple to remove the background. So here's a big white space. We're going to get rid of that. And I can keep increasing the size of the image because I don't want to get rid of, certain spots, but like that guy, I want him gone. And that little white spot, I'll probably make it a little bit bigger. Scroll down a little bit and we'll see what it looks like. That looks pretty good. I don't see that we're missing anything. So then we can put him back down. That looks pretty good. Did we miss anything? I don't think so. So now I have an image of a rider on a jumping horse. So once I'm happy with my image, I'm going to hit apply and continue. And we are going to save this as a cut image. So click on that cut image, hit the next green button, and voila! Here is our image. So let's go ahead and put that into our canvas and see what it looks like. That is actually pretty good. And now I can actually save this. So I'm going to save it in Design Space, and let's save it as the jumping horse. So now it is saved into my projects. and I can come back in the future and use this image. So now that I've saved it, I can go back into my projects and there it is. So I can use this over and over again in future projects. I can even move it a little bit. Then we can add some text. Let's put my horse's name. Move it right under there. And I can even change the font. Not sure if I like that font. But that is pretty neat. Now I can actually weld this together. And now it is just one thing that I can move anywhere I want. So hopefully you found this tutorial helpful about uploading an image from the internet to Cricut Design Space, and even a little bit of extra stuff by adding in some extras. And this is what happens when I play in Design Space. I just have so much fun that I can't help myself. So thanks so much for watching, and I will have some more Cricut tutorial videos for you coming up real soon.